Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we review stuff that can make your life easier, smarter, and in this case, safer. Today, we're diving into something that could literally save your life. And no, it's not garlic bread. We're talking about the Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector, battery-powered CO alarm that's small, smart, and surprisingly sassy for a white plastic rectangle. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's talk about why this little gadget should be in every home, RV, hotel room, and honestly, probably your mother-in-law's house, too. Asterisk. Alright, let's get serious for a sec. Carbon monoxide, or CO, is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Basically, it's the ninja of household dangers. It can come from your gas stove, fireplace, furnace, anything that burns fuel. And the worst part, you won't even know it's there, until it's too late. That's where this little lifesaver comes in. The Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector is designed to alert you the moment it detects carbon monoxide in the air. It's like a bodyguard for your lungs. And no, it doesn't eat your snacks or hog the remote. Win-win. Asterisk. Let's break down what this CO alarm brings to the table. Besides peace of mind, battery-powered, it runs on 2 AA batteries, which are included. That's right, kid. Doesn't make you do the battery scavenger hunt. Portable. It's lightweight, just half a pound. That means you can throw it in your luggage when you travel. Because CO doesn't take a vacation, folks. Electrochemical sensor. Fancy words for it's super accurate. This tech is built to sniff out carbon monoxide better than your dog sniffs out hidden treats. LED indicators. Green means power is on and everything's good. Red plus loud 85 decibel alarm. That means danger is in the air. Literally. Test reset. Button. Want to test it just to be sure it works. Hit the button. Want to stop the alarm after you burned your toast? Hit the button. Event memory. This genius remembers the last time CO was detected or when the alarm was tested. Basically, it's got a better memory than me on a Monday morning. Asterisk. Installation. Easiest thing ever. You don't need screws, wires, or a PhD. Mount it on the wall or plop it on a tabletop. Done. That's it. If you can put together a sandwich, you can install this. Asterisk. Now, here's where it gets really cool. This isn't just for home use. You can take this detector anywhere. Hotels, Airbnbs, RVs, dorm rooms, any place that has questionable ventilation and maybe even more questionable furniture choices. I actually brought mine on a recent trip, and let me tell you why I slept like a baby knowing that if carbon monoxide tried to sneak in, Kid would rat it out in a heartbeat. Asterisk. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but wait. There are like 1,000,000 CO detectors on Amazon. Why this one? Great question. Other detectors are often confusing to use. Expensive. Hardwired. So useless during a power outage. Missing batteries, the betrayal. Ugly. Yeah, I said it. The Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector is none of those things. It's budget-friendly, super easy to use, works during blackouts, and looks like a sleek little tech gadget instead of something out of a 90s sci-fi movie. It's just ... better. Trust me, I've tested quite a few. And this one nails the balance between function, price, and design. Asterisk. Asterisk. It was a peaceful night until the evil carbon monoxide tried to strike. Asterisk. Not today. Invisible killer. Asterisk. Thanks, Kid. You really do have my back. Asterisk. To wrap things up, here's the deal. If you want affordable peace of mind, portable protection, and a co-detector that doesn't require a user manual the size of a novel Git, the Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector. Seriously, for the price, the features, and the reliability, it's a no-brainer. Your home deserves it. Your family deserves it. You deserve it. And let's be real, being alive is kinda important. Asterisk. Asterisk. If you want to grab one for yourself, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more smart and occasionally ridiculous product reviews, and ring that bell so you'll never miss a new upload. Stay safe, stay awesome, and always remember to check your carbon monoxide detector. Peace. Asterisk.